The much hyped demonstrations called for by Blessed Geza have failed to materialize. Despite his very rhetoric and calls for an uprising, Geza's promised protests have amounted to little more than a whimper. Some of the people, they are now losing trust in Bombshell Geza. We are not sure, say my reporters, but we are speaking here according to my responses avari kupa panguva inoi. Tichipinda pane someone who is dissatisfied pamusoro aiwa missing protest anga akatarisirwa kudeliver Geza muzvaranhasi and subscribe like on the bell icon. Tichipinda panapa paendo X yaga changa anodanyira achiti Geza's failure to mobilize significant support for his cause is a clear indication that his message has not resonated with the Zimbabwean people. Many have expressed skepticism about his intentions and questioned whether his actions are truly motivated by a desire for positive change or simply an attempt to sow chaos and division. The lack of turnout for Geza's protests should serve as a wake-up call for those who seek to use inflammatory rhetoric and cause for violence to advance their political agendas. Zimbabweans deserve a constructive and inclusive political dialogue, not empty promises and divisive actions. It is time for those who claim to represent the interests of the people to start delivering real solutions instead of empty rhetoric. Ndo masho ako aiwa anodanyirwa panapa achinyorwa nemasupporters aiwa vakuya vachitaura masviko vachiti aiwa zvataona Geza's protest ichitadza kumaterialize panguva inoi vanhu vane kamwe kakubatikana kavainako vachiti aiwa isusu tinoda vanhu vanouya vachiisa change kunyika vachiuya vaine a desire for a positive change. Because mazimbabweans munyika now they deserve only a constructive dialogue ne-inclusive dialogue. Ndo zvinongodikanwa nevanhu chete. Zvimwe zvese zvetingatendera tichienda kure kwese but vanhu vanoda to be included pane the main agenda inenge ichidiscussa nekuuya ichironga zvinhu for the citizens. Tiudze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechituko ichi. Kuna kumesa mashemero kudze mafungiro enyu. Subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.